And hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning into this video. Today, we will be working on the 2012 Nissan Altima. Really quick, what I'm doing is I'm rotating the tires, but since I have the tires off, I have a fault on my ABS in the driver's side rear. I want to try and take a look at that sensor. I know that the sensor is the wire is fine. I switched that sensor from left to right, and there kept coming an error on the driver rear. So something's going on probably with the bearing. I'm not sure. It's giving me a fault code. So since I'm going to have the wheels off because I'm rotating the tires anyway, I want to see if I can troubleshoot and find out what's going on in there, why I'm getting a fault in there, and find out if I can fix it or if I have to replace the entire wheel bearing that it's giving a fault for the ABS. So let's go ahead and take a look and see if we can find this problem and fix it. So let's go. Here I have the Nissan Altima. I went ahead and jacked up the front, secured it on jack stands. I went ahead and jacked up the rear. The rear is up on the subframe with the jack. I've got all four wheels off. I'm going to pull off these bald front tires and put on these rear tires that are in better condition. Pass them to the front, rotate them until I can order some replacement tires. I'll put these in the back for now, put the better tires in the front just for safety's sake, and also take a look and see what's going on in this driver's side rear, giving me a fault from the ABS. I know it's not the cable. It may be something caught in the bearing, or maybe the bearing's faulty. I'm not sure. The actual bearings in the front need to be replaced because they're giving a ton of noise. So I might have to replace all four bearings if I can't troubleshoot this one here in the rear. So let's go ahead and pull off all the wheels and see if we can't find that fault from the rear tire. So let's go ahead and take that apart. And ladies and gentlemen, before I forget, I would like to thank everyone for watching the videos. And if you're liking these videos, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. Just doing these three little things will boost the videos to the algorithm, and it helps so much with the channel. I do appreciate everyone watching and all the comments that I've been receiving, and I hope you continue enjoying these videos as I enjoy making them for you. And let's get back to the video. Thanks for watching. Okay, so today it looks like it's going to be while you're in there, might as well. So what I have here is the front wheels taken off. So what I'm going to do is, since I'm here, this front anti-sway bar, it's right here, I bought replacements for. So these two here, since I have these front wheels off, going to go ahead and hit that bolt right there and that bolt on the underside. Pull this anti-sway bar out and change it, because I believe that that's been giving me some noise. Every time I take a hard turn into a parking lot, it'll give me a bunch of noise. So let's see if I change that and if it helps that out, since the wheel's already off. And I've had these for about 2 months now, so let's go ahead and throw these on really quick. Like I mentioned, since I already have the front wheels off, I'm changing the front sway bar links. This is the old one that was pulled off. You see that it's completely shredded to pieces. It's giving a lot of noise. Here are the new pieces I'm about to put in. These new seals, new pieces, new bolts, new hardware. Now, the difficult part about this is the outside part. When removing the bolt, what you'll do is you'll hit the gun here, put a 19mm wrench on the bolt and back of it so it doesn't spin, in the back so it doesn't spin, and hit it with the gun. And in order to get the bottom part, as you see, the impact gun is cradled inside the engine compartment best I can. So I'm going to go ahead and put the new unit right there, leave the gun there, hit it, tighten it down, hit it with a wrench, pull the entire unit out. I will go to the other side. This sway bar is not out. I will need to, ooh, let me get some light so you can see, because that's terrible. You can't see a thing. This passenger, the top one is out, the bottom is right there, but with the top one out, that piece will be able to maneuver up and down, so you can move it out of the way, stick the gun in a cavity, go ahead and loose. We're gonna take that bolt off, put the new one on, pull the gun out, and tighten both of the top bolts last. So that's the easier way of doing it. This is all maneuvering for real estate inside to try to get the gun in so you can pull these bolts up. So that's the hard part. Okay, I need to apologize. I don't have my tripod to record how I've been doing this, using certain extensions, going underneath the middle of the car, and loosening here with the wrench on the inside to hold that bolt while I hit it with the impact gun there and maneuver the gun through that space with extensions and a swivel connector on the driver's side. On the passenger side, I was able to maneuver the gun into the cavity of the car and was able to pull it out that way. I wasn't able to do that on the driver's side, but there you see the new one already on. I'm going to connect this new one on and then connect the upper. That'll be last. So I'll do the same thing in the opposite to tighten them down with the wrench and the impact gun. And these bolts are different since this is an aftermarket piece. These bolts are different. This is a 19 millimeter for the backing bolt here and an 18 millimeter bolt on the outside here. The other one is 17 millimeter. They're both 17 millimeter. 17 millimeter for the outside bolt here, and the inside is, oh, that's inside bolt. Inside bolt. That means they're both 17 millimeter on the new replacement pieces. So let me go ahead and put these on so I could put these back tires on, which will be the new fronts. All right, now I've got the bottom bolt installed on this side, the driver's side and the passenger side. And I went ahead and put on the top bolt. I'm going to hit it with the impact gun, holding the wrench, and that should be it for the tie rod end. So what I'm going to do right now is go ahead, tighten those up so I could put these front tires in the front, button up this front, and see if I could take a quick look at that bearing in the back and see why I'm getting a fault. Whew. All right. Now, after getting those front end links installed, I went ahead and put the tires that were in the back in the front, so I have a decent amount of tread there in the front for safety's sake. So I was suggested by my brother. Let's go ahead and rotate the tires until I can buy two new ones. The ones in the back, they're in bad shape. They can just drag along for a little bit. Hopefully we should get tires in about 2 weeks. I am looking at the rear of the driver side that's giving the error on the anti-lock. I pulled out the ABS sensor. I don't see anything wrong with it. I have no idea why this is going off. I don't see anything in particular that's wrong with this. But I do realize that now the rear brake pads need to be changed. So that's something to do for next weekend. I can't find out why this ABS sensor is going off. I might just change this bearing because the two bearings in the front are bad, making a ton of noise. Maybe this one's gone bad and that's why it's giving a ABS sensor mishap. And if that's the case, might as well change the other one as well on the other side. Just change all 4 bearings and change the brake pads on this, and maybe that'll clear up that ABS fault. but as for now, I can't really tell why this is giving a fault in the ABS system. So it is super late. I'm exhausted. I'm wrapping this up. I'm going to put that ABS sensor back in, put this tire on, call it a night, because tomorrow's Monday morning. Everyone's got to go to work. So, whew, I didn't even know I was that dirty. Okay, so as you guys see, I've had a really rough day, and I'm going to go ahead and put this rear tire back on, call it a night, because tomorrow's Monday and everyone's got to go to work. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.